Here's a 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser, 4.5 liter inline six. Everybody was asking about the crank seal. How do you do the crank seal? How do you do the crank seal? Well, I thought it was the oil pan or the crank seal. Someone thought it was the crank seal, but it was the oil pan. But I'm already here, might as well get it while I'm there. I couldn't figure out how to get this off because I've never worked on a Toyota before. Jeez. But to get the crank seal out, you pull the transmission, torque converter, flex plate, and then you get this little adapter. You wiggle it off there, pry it off, whatever you gotta do, get it off. So you got the transmission out, sitting over there. And then right here, 4 bolts, 12 millimeter. Loosen this up, someone silicone the crap out of it. And there it is, there's your one-piece seal. That's it. Installation is easy as changing the seal, put some silicone in those grooves, clean all this up, put that back on there, put your upper oil pan, lower oil pan, engine or transfer case and transmission back in there. You're good to go. Thanks for watching.